In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the wax candle EAV, 1.2 MT4 on my JustMarkets account for months. And zounds, it's melted my doubts to plus 13.16% gains with the panache of a parodic candlestick conjurer. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that waxes lyrical on Wix. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this wax candle wizard of wins. The zip folder for the wax candle EAV 1.2 MT4 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and installation instructions PDF in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the wax candle EAV 1.2 MT4 to XAUUSD's M1 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might a scandal sheet, and there the wax candle EAV 1.2 MT4 parades its plus 13.16%. Absolute gain escapade on JustMarkets, ballooning $1,000 deposits into $607.46 balance with $214.92 profit after no withdrawals. Daily 0.01% chuckles, monthly 1.63% guffaws, equity curve of bemused ascent, lampooning manual traders' flatlines with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at 74%, meaning 244 longs at 74%, 155 shorts at 78% winners, way above the 60% benchmark for gold scalpers that chase wild swings. Average win, a juicy 22.07 pips, $3.42 per pop, while losses are reined in at negative 57.72 pips, negative $9.27, thanks to the wax candle EAV 1.2 MT4's built-in impulse-based detection and adaptive risks that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net pips, 1,647.2. That's the kind of edge that compounds fast on volatile XAUUSD moves without overtrading. Drawdowns only 52.66% absolute. So even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked. Risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor of 1.19 more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're edging ahead. Sharp Ratio's 0.02 shows it's delivering smooth, efficient returns without wild swings. And the Z-score of negative 14.61, 99.99%. Against clustering proves it's got that random walk vibe pros love. Commissions? $64.60.